Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making the very delicious and the very original hummus recipe. This week we are presenting to you a series of Mediterranean delicacies which includes Fattoush Salad, the yogurt tahini dip, Falafel Balls and homemade hummus. So today let's start making the homemade hummus. So what I've done is I soaked chickpeas overnight and then boiled them in a pressure cooker for 6 to 7 whistles in the morning. And this is around 1 cup of chickpeas. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have a big lime here, so just put a lot of lemon juice. And this is my tahini paste that I get it from the supermarket. If you don't have it, you can make it, which is blending sesame seeds and olive oil together. But if you can get it from the supermarket or any market, then it's a little better. And if you don't have enough for tahini paste, then your hummus will not taste like the outside hummus that we get from the restaurants. So make sure you put enough tahini paste. And next I'm gonna add a little special ingredient, which is the red chili paste. And usually it's not added, but I add it because it will just give that extra punch. Also adding a lot of olive oil, so I'm adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So olive oil will also give an extra flavor and extra texture to the hummus. And now we'll just blend it all together nicely. It will not take more than 2 minutes because we've boiled the chickpeas. It's not gonna take long. Also, I forgot to mention that while boiling my chickpeas, I add 1 tablespoon of salt. So if you would forget to add salt, do make sure you add salt while blending your hummus. So I've not added the salt because that was already added in the boiled chickpeas. And this beautiful hummus is ready. We are just gonna do one thing. We'll take a spoon and circle it around like you can see on the screen. And now is the time to add the olive oil. And this just looks perfect to me. Just gonna finish it off by adding some olives in the middle. So just taking black whole olives and I'm just gonna put it in the center. And our homemade hummus is ready. This tastes delicious with falafel balls, some pita bread, Fattoush salad, yogurt tahini dip. I'm going to show you all of them, how to make them. Well, I'm in total love of this Mediterranean spread that I've put on the table, and I'm sure you are too. And you cannot wait to find these recipes soon this week. So do follow my channel this week and like, share and subscribe to my channel for this beautiful recipe. Thank you for watching.